La 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 vlogs. Oh my goodness, guys. We have a boat. Look at how big it is. There's a jet ski on it. I'm like, we might be able to go on the jet ski. It's gonna be so epic. I'm gonna tour the boat for you guys. So here we got a jet ski. We might be able to use it. Here we got like a little, we got a little lounge and a chair in here. Then there's the driver's seat. Let me show you. Here's the captain's seat. Then we got, okay, the best part, stairs, okay? We got a bed. We have a lounge. We got a TV. We have a TV. We have another bed in there. We got a bathroom. We got like a kitchen. So let's go back upstairs. Guys, I'm gonna go on the roof right now, so I'll see you in a sec. Okay guys, so we just climbed. We're on top of the boat right now, me and Tally. So we're just chilling. And I'm gonna vlog this whole thing. So it's gonna be really cool. We have like mats and we have a jet ski that we can go on later. So I'm really excited about that. That's gonna be so epic, so awesome. I'm so excited. Like, we're gonna jet ski. I was hoping that we did not need jackets. And we don't. And we don't need jackets and I'm so happy. The lady, she's so nice. She said it was up to us and we don't need it, so yeah. Guys, we're stopping here and we're gonna get to swim and jet ski. So I'm gonna show you guys of me jumping in. So it's gonna be so fun. So fun. So yeah. And there are a bunch of other boats here, party boats.
So